Hey everybody, it's me and Chase. Out for a walk today. Sorry, there's a lot of stuff in the way. Hope everyone is having a great day. Blessed as well. Great blessed day. I have not implemented the head halti or the halti just yet, or the gentle leader. I'm not gonna lie, there's days that I have no energy and I'm not helping my dog by not doing certain things, but it does help me when I need a extra boost up a hill, for example. But I had just posted a bone that I got from somewhere up in Lancaster, $10, huge. You know, he seems to love it. I kind of just let him take me where he wants to take me to. Come on, bud. Good boy. We're gonna go behind the truck. Come on. Good job. This way. Great job, bud. All right. It's a little bit of a... We'll figure it out.